Full screen Apple CarPlay. How much better does that look? Good morning and welcome to another NFoxtv video. Today I'm going to be installing the full screen CarPlay solution for the M140. Now I do actually already have CarPlay retrofitted, which I've done a few months back now, and I had to fit the wireless antenna, which I purchased on eBay. But yeah, as you can see with this particular instance, it only takes up half the screen, and it just kind of is a bit lacking. And yeah, excuse my terrible taste in music there, a bit of Enya. So yeah, I've been speaking to a company called DefinedCoding, and yeah, they've kindly given me the full screen version. So yeah, let's go ahead and get that installed. So really simple. First thing we do is start the car. Brilliant. Then with the USB stick, which basically you get sent a file based on your VIN number, you pop that onto the any USB stick. They recommend a 2, 4 or 8 gigabyte stick, formatted to FAT32. You simply dump the file onto this and then plug it in. Now once you've plugged it in, set to leave it there for at least 30 seconds. Ooh, new t-shirt. Anyone guess where these come from? I guess at this point it's just installing everything it needs to, and then at the end of the 30 seconds, yeah, we go ahead and reset the iDrive system. Okay, I think that's it. So after the 30 seconds, we disconnect the USB stick. We then reset the iDrive, which you can do by holding down the volume key on here for about 10-15 seconds. As you can see, that's now rebooting. So you allow it to reboot. It can apparently cycle through several times, so we'll just let it go through the motions. I've actually changed that screen there with the M Performance via the coding app CarPlay. I've done one video on that already, but there will be another one coming, along with hopefully a discount code as well, so you guys can yeah, do some coding yourself and save a little bit of money. So it's cycling through again. So as you can see, read out there, enabling Apple CarPlay full screen, applying patches, coding, restarting in 10 seconds. Cycling through again. Okay, so got the Apple Play icon down there still. I'm gonna guess that's done, so let's scroll over to CarPlay. Wow, there you have it. Full screen Apple CarPlay. How much better does that look? And how simple was that? So there you have it, full screen Apple CarPlay. Completely blows my mind how simple so much of this stuff is now. This, you know, general coding with things such as CarPlay, yeah, it's just incredible what can be done. Now I'll put all of the details to DefinedCoding in the description below, and yeah, his Instagram will be up here somewhere. Now yeah, if you do contact him, just mention that you're heading over from NFoxtv, and he's actually given all of you viewers a 10% discount as well, and it's, yeah, very, very reasonably priced, and yeah, it just looks so much better. So thank you to DefinedCoding, and thank you all for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Comment in the description below, especially if you're thinking of doing this yourself, and yeah, stay tuned for plenty more videos to come. Cheers.